First we insert the LED on breadboard. Then we place a resistor 330 ohm for limiting the current through the LED.
Then we insert transistor to ensure the electronic circuit is on if the current is flowing and switched off if it isn't. Later we place resistor 2000 ohm to lower the flow of the current.
And we placed push button. We use jumper wires for connection. We place them between resistor and the LED, transistor and resistor, push button and positive rail, LED and negative rail, transistor and negative rail.
Now we attach power supply to the board and check if the gate is working. If we press the button, the LED will turn off.
Firstly, between the first push button and the base of the first transistor, we need to place a resistor. Secondly, between the second push button and the base of the second transistor, the second resistor is placed. For limiting the current through the LED, we must place a resistor. Finally, to protect the transistor from excessive current and keep proper logic operation, we use another resistor.
We use jumper wires for connection. We place them between resistor and the LED, transistor and resistors, push buttons and the positive rail, LED and negative rail, two of transistors and negative rail. Then we set up the power supply.
Lastly, in order to test the circuit, when we press both buttons, LED turns on, and when we don't or press one of the buttons, the LED is off.
The associated transistor activates and permits current to flow to output when at least one put in is high.
To limit the current, we place 4 resistors on the breadboard.
We place first push button.
We place the jumper wires so that push buttons and other input devices are connected to the gate's input wires and have a route to the output. We place them between resistor and the LED, transistors and resistors, push buttons and the positive rail, LED and negative rail, two of the transistors and negative rail.
Now we place second push button.
The LED should be turned on if either one or both push buttons are pressed. It was successful. When we pressed one push button, the LED turned on, and when we pressed both push buttons, the LED turned on as well.